This video is going to teach you how to check in and check out for Comm Hab and to make sure that you actually input your data. So first, after you log in, you'll be at this screen right here, which is called the dashboard screen. Once you go on the dashboard screen, you're going to hit where it says scheduling/EVV. I should also mention everybody that I'm using an iPhone device to do this. Once you're in schedule EVV, you'll see at the bottom it says self check-in. You click self check-in. Then it takes you to this page. On this page, you're going to see the start date, the schedule type, individual, program, and service. And the staff. The staff will be you. Billable should be clicked yes at all times. You'll notice most of the demographics are already populated in. You go to individual and you select the individual that you're providing service for. So I'm going to select an individual that I'm providing a service for. Then you go to program. The program is the actual service you're providing. So in this instance, we're providing Comm Hab. So I'm going to click on Comm Hab. When I click on Comm Hab, I then have to click the service. Click on service, and then you see Community Hab Data Gathering. Then I click on that. After all these demographics are filled, I then go to the top and I click Next. Now, when you get to this form, it's going to be asking you the location type. On the location type, I put, is the service being provided in the home or community? In this instance, the service is being provided in the home. So I'm going to click Home. Then I go to Submit. After I've submitted the data, the next thing I want to do is look on the screen and see to confirm that you've actually checked in. Now you'll see it has the time that you've checked in. The time I checked in is 9:04 a.m. It has the individual I've checked in for. You see the program there. It's Community Hab Metro. The service is Community Hab Data Gathering. And it says 9:04 a.m. not checked out. It's important to note that 9:04 a.m. is not checked out. The reason why is because we've had staff that when they go to check out at the end of their shift, they go to self-check-in again. What you need to do when you're going to check out, so right now, only a minute has passed. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to say that we've done the full shift. So we've done the full shift. When we come back in at the end of the shift, we go back to scheduling EVV. You'll notice you see the individual that you checked in for. You click on the individual that you checked in for. Then you scroll down to the bottom and it's going to say ISP data for service. You hit ISP data for service and you'll see here I didn't acknowledge the program. I'll acknowledge the program now. If the program was already acknowledged, it's going to bring you to this form. When you get to this form, this is going to be the form that's going to basically ask you about entering your data. Remember previously where you had to enter ISP data? So now remember we said that the group count is always 1. If your supervisor is asking for a comment, you write the comment. Here's your task score. It's important that you go in and put your task score because remember, you have to notate whether the service was provided or not. So we're going to say that the service was provided, this service was provided, and then you write your comments in there as well. After you wrote your comments, you hit submit. That portion right there demonstrates that I've completed the data. Next, I have to check out. So all I do is hit the checkout button, and then it takes me right back to the screen where it asks me, am I checking out in the location type of home or community? And remember, we said that this service was provided in home. So I'm going to put home, and then afterwards, I hit submit. Now, you'll notice when you go back and look at the screen, you'll see right here it says 9:04 a.m. has the individual's name. Again, you see the program. You see the service time also, 9:04 a.m. to 9:07 a.m. And with that process, what I've done is I've checked in and I've checked out and I've entered the data. Here's the ISP data for service right here. that tells me that I entered the data, tells me that I provided these 2 services, and I actually listed also that the group count is 1.